Hi guys, welcome back to my blog. I keep saying blog because I do have a blog. Welcome back to my vlog. I'm actually still at my couch surfing host place. Just kind of sorting through my things. I want to pack my bag a little bit better. Just kind of like organize my stuff just because it makes things a lot easier. So that's what I'm doing right now. So now your girl is walking to the store because I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm kind of lame. Honestly, my shins have been really hurting me lately just because I did so much walking yesterday. I don't feel bad though because I have a couple more days here, so it'll be okay. I can take one day. So I am at Kaufland. This is apparently like a German version of Walmart. So let's see what they have inside. Ooh, look at this. Frozen cocktail with blueberries in it. And they come with straws. Cool. Oh my goodness gracious, I've never seen a mango this big. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. Honestly, that is crazy. It's so huge. So now they have like a whole bunch of random stuff. Okay. It's like books, magazines, classroom stuff. Ooh, the fall section. So I am unnecessarily in the candy aisle, and you know what? When I'm not home, wow, someone's in my eye. That's wonderful, great, love it. But when I'm not home, I actually eat less candy, which is like a good thing, but I just think the candy sucks. That's why I don't eat it. Candy in the US is undefeated. Sue me, but I feel like candy in the US is the best candy ever. Then again, I have not been to Asia, so maybe Asian candy is better. But out of European and US candy hands down wins. And you can trust my opinion because I eat it all day, every day. All day, every day. Yeah, like this candy's not like, it's not getting me excited. It's just not doing it for me. Alright, our shopping is done for now. Ooh, look at these shoes. It's kind of cool. I'd wear them. The pink ones, that is. Maybe the white ones. Those are cute. What's up? It's the next morning, and I'm actually about to go take some photos while I'm here. Hopefully these will be like my birthday photos. I actually found it on Groupon, so I was like, oh, cool. So it came, and apparently they didn't have me in the system, so I had to reschedule because I'm actually kind of hungry. Medium fry, ketchup. I just wanted to add this in because I was looking back at some of those clips, and like you can barely hear me. I feel so bad. Okay, well, honestly, it's like I have to scream in order to like make it clear. So I don't know, y'all. Maybe I just need to get a microphone. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you watched up to this point, I sound like a little turtle, so yeah, sorry. I love you. Okay, so I just sat in McDonald's for like maybe an hour and a half or so, and just kind of like organized some things that I'll be doing in like London and Paris. I couldn't find a couch surfing post in London, so I went ahead and booked the hostel. I think it'll be a good thing. I kind of want to switch it up too, so I'm glad I'm staying in a hostel in London. Now I'm headed to a meetup in the city center that's about natural hair, and of course it will be a lot of black women, if not only black women, and I'm excited to just kind of maybe hear about the experience here in Berlin and how it is to be a black woman in Germany. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's go. So I'm back. I went to the little hangout at the restaurant we went to. I can't remember what it was called. It wasn't anything special, so I really wouldn't recommend it. But yeah, we went to that. The girls that I met were so cool. And one was American, another one was French, and the third one was from London. She was English.
So it was just cool to like hear about how they liked Berlin and what they thought about, the hair selection, the hair product selection, salons and stuff like that, and some other stuff, just like small details. But it was cool. They were pretty much telling me like how it is to live in Berlin as a black woman and everything that I really wanted to know. I'm sorry I didn't record, but like I feel like it'd be weird to put the camera in a stranger's face. But as I start to like establish myself as a YouTuber, I definitely think I'll start to just begin to ask people like, do you mind if I record? But I don't want people to act different, I want people to just be themselves. So I didn't record it, but it was a nice time. We actually stayed there for hours and chatted for hours. Yeah, it was like 3 o'clock when we first got there and started chatting. It was like 7 o'clock when we left, so 4 hours. So I came back to my couch surfing place, and I really am considering going out to like a bar or something tonight. But because my train or my bus or whatever is so early, I need to make sure I have all my stuff in a row so that I'm not struggling tomorrow morning. That's why I'm back. And plus it was getting cold too. And all I have is this sweatshirt on, which is pretty crazy because it was warm yesterday. I'm going to say like 82 degrees and today it's 60. That's a big jump. So yeah, that's why I'm back. Just trying to get my stuff together. And yeah, I actually am going to write a blog post based on the notes that I was given at our little meetup about living in Berlin. I have not lived in Berlin, but hopefully I can give a pretty honest account based on what these ladies told me about living in Berlin, just in case someone's considering it. I know I am, and it would be a really good resource to have before making that decision. So yeah, I actually think I'm going to end the vlog right here, and I'll show you guys what I do tonight, if anything, because I'm not much of a drinker, not much of like a partier or a bar goer. So yeah, I don't really feel too much pressure to go out right now, but it's never a bad thing to go out and like socialize. So we'll see. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, and tomorrow we're going to be in Amsterdam. So excited. I love Amsterdam so much with all my heart. So yeah, see you guys in Amsterdam.